Hello everyone, this is Ham's Complaint. I'm Sonia. Today, I will continue to introduce our mission to you. That is CNC lathe. Last video, I introduced what kind of part we can make. Now, I want to introduce what part combined with our machine. Let's take a look at the outside of the product today. We can say sheet metal, which is lightweight, strong, and electrically conductive. Then there's a pieces of window that can be moved to make it easier to mount tool holders, electric, and also to block the cooling oil from spilling out. Next is the back of the machine. The back of CNC machine is installed with a few staircase like step of facilitated the placement to generators and some other components, but also to make the machine look more coordinated overall.